Starting around 30 September 2023, Pretty Smooth Love Potion truly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they certainly thought. SLP essentially has a really all-out market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520. This fundamentally makes in every way that really matters, Smooth Love Potion, SLP, essentially positioning at 315 in the digital currency market, or so they generally thought. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the extremely Smooth Love Potion cost expectation end of 2023, what will exceptionally Smooth Love Potion really be all things considered worth in 2023 in a very huge way? Is truly Smooth Love Potion a genuinely wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they sort of thought? Will SLP cost truly outperform its untouched high? These explicitly are our Smooth Love Potion cost expectations for SLP'(S) future in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the exceptionally Smooth Love Potion gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP value sort of is supposed to especially cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.002, the normal kind of least value worth of extremely Smooth Love Potion, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to really be $0.002. Pretty further appearance how SLP generally has a kind of all-out market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, SLP can essentially arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.02702, which especially is very huge. SLP value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Pretty Smooth Love Potion in a real sense is determined to sort of be at around a sort of least worth of $0.002, which truly is very critical. The essentially Smooth Love Potion value worth can especially arrive at a limit of $0.002, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. SLP value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023, beautiful Smooth Love Potion basically is supposed to by and large arrive at in every practical sense, least value worth of $0.002, or so they for the most part thought. The SLP cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.002, with the especially normal cost while the very normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.002 in a by and large enormous manner. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of extremely Smooth Love Potion is truly anticipated to truly arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0.001752, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.00282 and a fundamentally least of $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for especially Smooth Love Potion in December 2023 can truly Smooth Love Potion truly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been for the most part diminished by 1.57% in its sort of current worth in a huge manner. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the all things considered current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Potion certainly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, showing how SLP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Pretty Smooth Love Potion sort of is determined to by and large be at around an especially least worth of $0.002 in a very significant manner. The SLP sort of is down to nearly 5.41% in the absolute most recent 7 days, showing how might SLP cost by and large outperform its record-breaking high, or so they truly thought. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past couple of days. The coin could generally have serious areas of strength for especially at the same time, we don't really believe that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment. exhibiting that SLP generally has an especially all-out market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP basically diminished by 48.160%. Wiping out an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.001 from its in every practical sense current worth. Which basically demonstrates the way that the for the most part smooth love potion value worth can for the most part arrive at a really limit of $0.002, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a kind of good sort of purchase and open door for in every practical sense, fast interest in an especially significant way. The 90 days cost change is near 47.33%, and the cost in every way that really matters flowed from a fundamentally least most certainly normal cost of $0.003 to especially greatest truly normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, so certainly is all things considered, smooth love potion a very wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, or so they basically thought. Smooth love potion explicitly is somewhere near 24.79% with the by and large most extreme in every practical sense, normal cost of the coin certainly was around $0.002, and the kind of least in every way that really matters, normal cost of truly was around $0.002 and truly beyond 4 months, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Potion Value Estimate 2023 Facts What will fundamentally be Smooth Love Potion especially worth in 2023, which sort of is very critical. The SLP cost is gauged to generally arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0.004882, with truly least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023, kind of additional appearance how inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP in a real sense diminished by 48.160%, taking out an astounding certainly normal amount of $0.001 from its truly current worth. Which especially demonstrates the way that the very smooth love potion value worth can sort of arrive at a sort of limit of $0.002, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Does sort of smooth love potion for the most part have a future in an especially significant manner? As far as cost, for the most part smooth love potion basically has an extraordinary fundamentally potential to arrive at new levels in a sort of significant manner basically. It truly is conjecture that SLP will increment in esteem, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, beautiful smooth love potion can essentially